Today, I am drawing Dolphin named Danny. Let's draw and color together and listen Dolphin story. In the shimmering waters of the vast ocean, there lived a young dolphin named Danny. Danny was known throughout the sea for his boundless energy and insatiable curiosity. He spent his days darting through the waves, exploring every nook and cranny of the underwater world. One day, as Danny leaped joyfully through the sparkling surf, he stumbled upon something strange and fascinating, a hidden coral reef teeming with vibrant colors and bustling with life. Intrigued by this newfound discovery, Danny dove deeper into the reef, eager to uncover its secrets. As he swam among the coral formations, Danny encountered a myriad of creatures, from dazzling fish to graceful sea turtles. Each encounter filled him with wonder and awe, igniting a newfound passion for exploration within him. But as Danny ventured deeper into the reef, he stumbled upon a sight that filled his heart with sadness. A group of sea creatures was struggling to free themselves from a tangle of discarded fishing nets, their desperate cries echoing through the water. With a surge of determination, Danny sprang into action, rallying his friends to help rescue the trapped animals. Together, they worked tirelessly to untangle the nets and set the creatures free, their efforts fueled by compassion and camaraderie. As the last of the trapped animals swam to safety, Danny felt a sense of pride wash over him. Though the ocean was vast and filled with challenges, he knew that with courage and determination, he could make a difference and protect the world he loved. And so, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the ocean shimmered with the light of 1,000 stars, Danny vowed to continue his journey of discovery, knowing that every adventure brought with it the opportunity to learn, to grow, and to make a difference.